everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So for today we're gonna go get a wash, do an exhaust video. Hopefully the wind calms down because it's pretty windy right now, so hopefully you guys will be able to hear it and stuff like that. So also it's pretty cold, so hopefully this video will turn out pretty good. So we're gonna get that done and then we'll be back. Got a little spare time right now, just pull up to the wash and I'm waiting in line, and thought it would be a good time to say what type of exhaust I got. My setup, what I got is an Invidia catless downpipe paired with an Invidia catback exhaust, an N1 dual exhaust exit with the burnt tips. My first impression of it, it was the nicest exhaust I've seen, and it's pretty lightweight. It's not as heavy as the OEM ones, and the tone, you can definitely hear the tone difference between the stock exhaust and the Invidia exhaust. The Invidia exhaust, when you first start it up, it got a deeper tone to it, so it sounds a lot nicer, and you can hear that Subi rumble just a little bit. And I like it a lot. It got some nice welds to it. You can tell it's pretty good, and it's stainless steel as well, so you can always clean it. And so we could do a cold start here in a little bit, and then also maybe do some pulls and stuff like that, depending on how windy it is outside. It's still kind of windy, but we'll see how it goes. So stay tuned, guys. Just washed her up. She looks pretty good. Gonna dry her now, and then we'll do a cold start and then do a couple pulls. Well guys, that was fun. I'm gonna put in some gas and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.